I always get asked about how I take care of my frizzy wavy hair, and this is my actual routine after every wash. It's super simple, lightweight, and keeps my waves defined instead of puffy. I have really spent some time refining this routine. After washing, I wrap my hair in a microfiber towel. I've noticed that it cuts down frizz so much more than a regular towel. When I get out the shower, I'll have my hair towel drying while I do my skincare. I am gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Extra Moisture Detangler. I swear by this stuff. It's super lightweight. Like, it's literally like water, and it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. So I really like it. I'm just gonna, look, I got it in my mouth. Spray it on my mids to ends. I'll show you. Use this Tangle Teaser brush and I brush out super gently, but this detangler does like 75% of the work anyways. Because my hair is wet, I'm like extra careful about detangling it. I don't want to cause any breakage. This is like one of the only brushes that I trust. You can see how easily it's brushing out. You already know this, but just a reminder, always start with your ends when you're brushing your hair and work your way up. What I usually do is I will start from this section, brush it out. Then I'll go from here to here, and then I'll go up from here and pull it all the way down. Now you see that I started too high up from here, so I am gonna come down a little bit and brush that out, and then go back up, and there you go. I'm gonna be completely honest, speaking from experience, I have been kind of rough with my hair these days, and I've been just brushing it in a rush, and I've noticed that there is some breakage because of that. So be mindful. It's like hard to grow hair out, and it's so easy to cause damage. Hair is all brushed out, as you can see. I'm just gonna do a quick flippy poo because it's like all stuck to my head. So, oop. It just helps it dry faster. And then I find my part, and I usually use a comb for that, but brush that part out. One more flip. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this Super Milk Conditioning Spray by Lush. Makes my hair smell really good, so that's why I use it, and I'm just gonna be very light about this because I've noticed when I use it too close to my roots, it does get like weighed down and heavy as it dries. Just gonna spray that through here. Okay, I think I sprayed a little bit too much. Last but not least is this Honey Creamy X Damage Repair Hair Oil. This is a Japanese hair oil, and I will literally use the smallest amount just to start. Again, because I don't want my hair to like have too much product and get weighed down. I want it to be soft and bouncy. So I'm just gonna put that in just my ends. Once I work that in, I will kind of just go on top a little bit. Wherever I feel like my hair needs more. I want to add that I also, sometimes if I'm not using this, I'll use coconut oil. So those are all the hair products that I'm going to be using. I'm letting my hair air dry. This is what it's looking like right now. It kind of looks a little bit frizzy. I'm just doing like a loose braid while my hair dries, and that's just so the waves can like set and become more defined than just like frizz. I don't have a hair tie right now, but I will literally just like braid it and let it sit for like 30 minutes. Then I'll unbraid it, then I'll rebraid it, and I'll just keep doing that until it's just fully dry. You can tell like just from like braiding it one time, my hair looks less frizzy. This is my natural hair after drying. This is what it looks like. It's just really soft and bouncy and fluffy. Sometimes, just depending on the weather, if it is a more humid day, I'll add a little bit more oil, like just throughout my hair, like that much, or coconut oil. Oh my gosh, I have rings on. So I'll just add a little bit more oil if I just need some extra shine, but this just the smallest amount. That is my hair all done. It is wavy, not frizzy. I just keep a silk scrunchie on me, so if I feel like my hair is getting a little bit frizzy throughout the day, I'll just like rebraid it loosely just for a little bit. But that's basically my everyday like natural hair routine to like maintain my frizz. It is super simple, lightweight. It keeps my hair soft and manageable without heat styling. Let me know if you want to see how I usually style my hair if I'm using heat tools. I will give a routine on how I do that, but this is essentially the look. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you later. Bye!